Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, there is fire on the mountain in the household of Pete Edochie and May Edochie. Yes, so hey, Juju Ekwensu fans don't scatter everywhere. They don't scatter everywhere with lies. According to Juju Ekwensu Gbola warriors, they said that Yul Edochie personally sponsored his children to Obodoyibo for UK. They said he paid for the ticket, he paid for the accommodation, he paid for everything. They even went as far as blessing Yul Edochie, thanking him, praying for him for doing his work as a father, for sponsoring May Edochie children to Obodoyibo. Hey! Make una take am easy, oh. Make una take am easy. Una know say na curse now na dey curse Yul Edochie. I laugh in Chinese. You people are insulting, laying curses on Yul Edochie. Some people will support person go put for problem. Now so una support Juju Ekwensu enter fire wey she dey so. Una don see dey lay curses on Yul Edochie. Tomorrow something bend the nyash now. Una go say na May Nation. How can you be praying for somebody that did not sponsor his children to Obodoyibo? Abi you know here say Bible say any father that cannot take care of his children is a cursed man. Even the Quran says any father that cannot take care of his family is a dead man. The man is a failure. He's a cursed man. Now you people are praying for Yul Edochie. Say Yul Edochie sponsor his children when he did not sponsor his children. Spiritually, it is a curse that you are cursing Yul Edochie. Make una no go do good, take put people for problem. Aproko manager companies of Gbola warrior fighters. Do you people even ask question? Una brain don't tell for Obodoyibo. Una no know tradition wey dey happen for here for Africa. Make una close una mouth. You don't just pray and bless people anyhow. Some prayers are curse. Some curse are blessing. Now curse una curse Yul Edochie, the Madam Proko manager of Juju Ekwensu group of Gbola warrior fighters, that said that Yul Edochie personally sponsored his children, that God will bless Yul Edochie. You are cursing that man. Because if Papa Pete Edochie don't come outside, come to say, who dash Yul Edochie money when he take sponsor his children go Obodoyibo? Wonder, 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 wonder. Wonder, 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 wonder. Juju Ekwensu warriors go turn to wanderer. See, correct afternoon lie. Wanna lie when they don't come blow for una head. Not be we May Nation come they talk. Pete Edochie have come out to say he own. Rita Edochie don't come out come talk he own. Pete Edochie said Yul Edochie did not sponsor his children to any Obodoyibo. Yul Edochie did not pay 10 kobo. 10 kobo. Yul Edochie did not pay. Yul Edochie no know as his children take go Obodoyibo. Everything that May Edochie did, he did legally. Pete Edochie say if Yul Edochie is really present in the life of his children, if Yul Edochie is really involved in buying tickets for his children, how come Yul Edochie children take reach Obodoyibo without Yul Edochie's signature? Before you go do anything for pikin, travel am to international country, they need the father's signature. The father need to sign. How come May Edochie did everything without Yul Edochie? That should be the question when Juju Ekwensu Gbola warriors for the ask. But because they are content creator fighting for their pockets, everybody go eat, everybody go pay us rent, everybody go chop. They are busy with content. They are not even after what really happened. Do you know that Juju Ekwensu fans, they don't do research? They just wait for May Nation to bring out topic and they will attack. That is all they do. They don't do research of what is really happening. Now, Pete Edochie said, May Edochie took her children to Obodoyibo. Number one, legally. Legally. Number two, the woman paid for everything. Pete Edochie say is a testimony. And he even have all the receipts. All the receipts are with him. Hey, hey. Wonder shall never end, my people. According to Peter Edochie said May Edochie reached out to him and he told him that his grandchildren, that she and his grandchildren, they'll be traveling out of Nigeria, that they'll be going to London. He said he knows everything. He said, how come he know everything? Yul Edochie don't know anything. How come? There must be something wrong somewhere. So Peter Edochie said, if Yul Edochie have that money to sponsor his children to Obodo na London, he said the Yul Edochie when he know, if I go use that money, buy tickets, go Ghana, go Flares, all in the name of the first to say in travel. He said that is what Yul Edochie would have done. He said where Yul Edochie won't say that money. He said he own son, Leo, when he traveled. He said when Leo traveled, when he bought tickets, he said Leo was complaining. He said that son. He said Leo said, ticket is very expensive now. If you just change the naira, film, it don't go like water. That was his son. Only one night travel because his wife and children were already there. He went to meet them to spend the Christmas with them. And his son was complaining that the money for ticket to London not be their job. Imagine May Edochie bought 4 tickets all alone. So Peter Edochie said, Mona, leave May Edochie alone. Peter Edochie said, you people should leave May Edochie alone. According to Peter Edochie, he said May Edochie did everything legally. When May Edochie started this journey, she went to the court because May Edochie and Yul Edochie, they know they talk to each other again. Be like, so I never know. You know, say people that are quiet, they can tolerate so. But when they say it's over, hey, when they say it's over, it is called Otilo. Nothing can join it again. May Edochie is so much done with Yul Edochie, that if you carry Yul Edochie put for diamond, May Edochie will only smile, but she will never go back to him. May Edochie have no contact with Yul Edochie. They talk through their lawyers. They know they talk to each other. They know they communicate. They know they call through phone call. May Edochie na stop her. Because there was a time Yul Edochie keep on disturbing her. She have to put an end to all those things. So, May Edochie reached out to a lawyer to tell the court that she and her children won't travel. If the father needs to sign, the court should do the work. Her children are going for holiday. So the court, that of Daniela, there is no problem. Daniela do big. It was that of Kai and Zane. So they send that letter to minor court. Now don't say they get children court for Nigeria, minor court. And Yul Edochie get case for them. They send the letter to minor courts. Minor courts control. Una see the process where this woman pass. Una no know. Una no know how this woman take waka. Una no know where this woman go, where she no go. The different places where she go to prepare these papers. Una just open mouth begin dey curse Yul Edochie say he sponsor his children to Obodo Oyibo. Na curse una curse that man. All of una wey na go dey pray say Yul Edochie, God will bless you for sponsoring your children when he did not sponsor his children. You people should go and rebuke that curse. Because Yul Edochie, the curse wey dey body don too much. We no want me pass like that. Una go rebuke that curse comot for that man body. Because this Juju Ezugbola warriors now na be Yul Edochie problem. Now, May Edochie send this letter to court say, his children won't go holiday. Yul Edochie, his children won't go holiday. May court, may they sign paper, talk what to do for his children permission to travel out. So they send the letter to minor court. Minor court do their control. They find out that Yul Edochie is a deadbeat father. The man is not present. He's not anywhere close to these children. All the money they ask him to pay, Yul Edochie has not paid 10 kobo. Chinkom. Since May Edochie carry matter go court, Yul Edochie never paid 10 kobo. You say in Kolus where they come out, look at it. Yul Edochie send 50,000. Oga no send 10 kobo. They don't see anything. It is called social media transaction. Now Yul Edochie do. It is called social media transaction. Now Yul Edochie do. I laugh in Chinese. So that money, was never, that money, May Edochie never received anything from Yul Edochie. The court did their research. They did their control and found out that this man is not present in the life of the children. This man has not been sending money to the children. This man did not pay school fees, did not pay feeding money, did not pay anything at all. Like in the life of these children, it looked like this man not exists. So it was the court that gave May Edochie permission that the children are very reliable to travel without Yul Edochie's signature. Una dey hear wetin I dey talk so. Pete Edochie said it was the court that gave May Edochie permission. After the court gave May Edochie permission, May Edochie sent that paper. She photocopied and she sent to Pete Edochie. Woman wey get brain, woman wey get sense. May Edochie is computer science brain. She sent that paper to Pete Edochie. She sent it to Pete Edochie and she informed Pete Edochie of their traveling. So Pete Edochie gets everything. The court were the one that gave May Edochie permission. What do they need Yul Edochie for? He get one thing we want to do for them. Somebody that did not pay for his children for more than how many years now? We case stay they court. Divorce case don't they go 3 years old. Yul Edochie never pay 1 naira. 1 naira chinko, Yul Edochie never pay. Now they feel him. Yul Edochie never pay. So what do they need his signature or what do they need him for? Yul Edochie knows nothing. Yul Edochie 10 kobo no day. Everything was paid by May Edochie. Pete Edochie also said after May Edochie don't pay, after May Edochie collected that letter that she have right to carry her children travel. It's not kidnapping, it's not running away, it's nothing. It's holiday. Yul Edochie not get right to talk anything. After May Edochie collect the letter from the court, she went to buy tickets. The ticket where she buy, Pete Edochie told May Edochie that you send it to him. May Edochie also send those tickets to Pete Edochie. Pete Edochie see money where May Edochie take buy ticket. The man shout. Tell May Edochie say no. Make May Edochie leave the children, make they do Christmas for here. That money is too much. May Edochie say no. She has been working hard because of her children. The children need it. They went through a lot. They see shaggy. They lost their home. They lost their father. They lost their brother. It is a trauma for them. She herself cannot even explain. She herself, she cannot even thank God enough for giving her intelligent and strong children. If now some other children, they forgot they misbehave. This whole thing for don't affect them. But our children are so strong. They need it. They need this holiday to put smile on their face because they went through a lot. These children see something. So Pete Edochie said everything was with him. That when May Edochie they go, she told them. She told them even if Yul Edochie no know. He said out of the anger self, Pete Edochie almost called Yul Edochie say, see your life. See where your wife dey. See where you dey. Say Josephine Edochie say not tell am. Josephine Edochie say I better not tell am. Let May Edochie and the children reach Obodo Oyibo. Make he hear from May Edochie mouth. He said that's why they did not tell Yul Edochie. He said when Yul Edochie hear, Yul Edochie come dey call am. He said he still pretend as if he don't know. He said Betty know. He said he pretend. Say May Edochie and the children travel. He said Betty know. The wife know. He said May Edochie told them. He said the receipt, everything that this woman paid, says with him. He said people should stop saying that Yul Edochie sent his children out of the country. My people, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to all my wonderful subscribers of Mero True Life Story, may God Almighty never bless you all. In Jesus' name, inshallah. Amen. My people, this one that they call things they happen. So Peter Edochie said, me Edochie told them everything. They know everything. He said, if Yul Edochie was that important, how come he don't know when the children take travel? Now social media Yul Edochie for year. Nobody told him. Nobody. He said, me Edochie paid everything. He said, Yul Edochie no even know say the children they flights. See, now social media Yul Edochie for year. He said, me Edochie paid for everything. They should stop giving the credit to Yul Edochie. He don't deserve it. Yul Edochie don't deserve it. The man don't know where children for the go school. He don't know where children for the eat. Peter Edochie said Yul Edochie have abandoned his children for a very long time. Me Edochie is the pillar of the house. Peter Edochie said when he came out to do interview, when he tell una say, me Edochie na be the pillar of the house, me Edochie na be the architect of the house, he said some people were thinking he was lying. He said now a lot of people might have understand. Since me Edochie left, what has become of his son? Nothing. From one battle to another, and they call the fight. Battle, now they call the fight. The fight, waiting on the fight them. So Peter Edochie have come out to. So you people should stop dragging. You people should stop giving credit to Yul Edochie. If Yul Edochie get opportunity to hold that kind of money, if I don't reach Ghana. If I don't reach Ghana, go flex that money with guests. Wonder shall never end, oh my lovely fans. Peter Edochie has finally come out to defend me Edochie. Juju Ekwensu Gbola warriors with their fake rumor. Juju Ekwensu Gbola warriors with their lie. See the way they were praising Yul Edochie. See the way they were giving this man credit. Hey! Oh, gini ne me. Ekwensu Gbola lovers fighter. Gbola lovers fighter. Make una zubani ke o. Hey! Una go just carry rumor. Now, if main nation attack una go say main nation. Me Edochie just post say and the children do obodo oyibo. The next thing, baka. One Juju Ekwensu supporter number one abi na number two should be supporter. Now he carry this lie put for social media. The moment me Edochie just post say dey London, this woman just write the next thing. Hey! This woman just write the next thing. He said, thank you, Yul Edochie. God will bless you. Not knowing he was cursing this man. He was cursing him because Bible says any man that cannot sponsor and train his children, that cannot feed his children, that man is a curse man. He's a curse man. Any children where mama do they train, papa no ten kobo no dey, that man is a curse man. The next thing, Juju Ekwensu Gbola warrior just carry. The moment she just see me, she just post she and her children. Hey! You know, even reach 20 minutes. This woman don't they thank Yul Edochie for sponsoring the children to obodo oyibo. Whereas Yul Edochie, as she find out for social media, now so Yul Edochie find out. Hey! This is not coming from main nation. Don't come here and say, oh, main nation. This is coming from Peter Edochie and Mama Rita Edochie. I've been now una family past them. You people are content creator like me. The family people now they talk now. Ikolus is not their family member. What Ikolus is saying is not entering my ear. Ikolus where they go hang for hotel like Ronske. Lynch Edochie get house. Lynch Edochie not carrying Ikolus go in house, go knock. That says a lot. Since I know and find out, say Lynch Edochie get a house, Lynch Edochie not they stay with your papa and mama, and yet he refuse to carry Ikolus go in house. He go hang out for hotel. Now hotel she stay. Am I lying? Now hotel now they put ante naka till they carry and go back. Till she go back. Hotel now they naka. She knows nothing about this family. It has been long I've been telling you people. It has been long. She go just stay, she go just write. She go write. Now see even Ikolus come outside, come tell una say, believe her at your own risk. Say everything where she dey talk na lie. She don't know anything about that family. You see as they food themselves, Juju Ekwensu Gbola warriors. Now see there. So this is coming from the Edochie family. They are the one giving us the details now. That everything, they are the one telling us that they are angry when they see people dragging me Edochie. He know how much me Edochie take buy ticket. He know. He said it provoke am. He said no. He said you people should stop dragging me Edochie. For this one, what me Edochie do, he said he as a man, he cut hand for me Edochie. The whole family are praising her. The whole family are praising me Edochie. With some group of people who just come out and start lying. Yul Edochie know where these children for they go school. Yul Edochie know where they for they eat. This is coming from Pete Edochie. Bola Warriors is coming from Pete Edochie. Not be main nation cut off now. Not be main nation. I been at Juju Ekwesu na won't tell us Juju Ekwesu where they not allow enter gate for Pete Edochie house. Now won't tell us what they happen for them. Mbanuna. Wonder shall never end. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you, inshallah.